Welcome back to the Garden with Joy and Holly radio show. Happy that you stayed with us for the program. If you got a question, we've got an answer. We can certainly get that to you at gardentalkradio@gmail.com. If you'd like to give us a call, you can do that on the Proclamation Hotline, brought to you by Proclamation Good. That number is 1-800-927-SHOW, 1-800-927-7469.
Proclamation Goods creates cookware for the eco-conscious home chef. Their pans are non-toxic, have a lifetime warranty, and are made right here in Wisconsin. Their award-winning stainless steel Proclamation Duo cookware set is a 12-inch skillet that doubles in a stock pot that doubles as a wok. Best of all, the skillet and stock pot hinge together to form a Dutch oven. It's 2 pans with the versatility of 10, empowering you to cook more with less. If you care about your health and strive for a more sustainable lifestyle, then Proclamation Goods is for you. Supplies limited, to orders now at proclamationgoods.com.
This question is sponsored by Fleet Farm and fleetfarm.com. Holly, is it safe to use black walnut chips on my walk paths between my raised beds? My raised beds are not like most beds. I have put them on a slight slope, and the bottom of the side of the bed is dug into the soil. The other side is a little below the soil level. I am using the wood chips as a weed barrier and a moisture retention mechanism.
Well, the mulch or wood chips from black walnut are not recommended for plants sensitive to the Julong, which is the chemical that the black walnut tree does leach into the soil. However, composting the wood chips for a minimum of 6 months allows the chemical to break down to a safe level for even plants that are sensitive to the Julong.
There you go. Let's go to the Proclamation Hotline, brought to you by Proclamation Goods, and Elaine has a question.
Hi, my name is Elaine, and I'm from Greenfield, Wisconsin. I got a question on a butterfly bush. I have all these seed pods on it. Should I leave them or should I cut them off? Thanks a lot.
All right, Holly.
Yeah, thank you, Elaine, for your question. All you need to do is just take those seed pods and you can snip them off or break them off, whatever. If they're dry enough, you can break them off. You can do that. You use your little pruner tool and just take them off, and then you can either compost them, toss them in the trash, or if you want, you can plant some and grow more butterfly bushes.
Yeah, if you want to be like Elaine, you can certainly do that by giving us a call at 1-800-927-7469. All right, Holly, where do I find good hardneck garlic?
So you can go to jungseed.com, use code 10TG22 to save 10% off your order. That's jungseed, Jung seed.com. Use code 10TG, like the garden 22, to save 10% off your order.
And they still have quite a bit in stock. Some of these places are selling out quite quickly for whatever reason, but they have it available. Let's see. I planted asparagus this spring, Holly. Should I fertilize it and mulch it before winter?
No, you can fertilize in the spring. Mulching is optional. Trim the asparagus down to the ground so the asparagus beetle does not become an issue for you. So no, you don't need to fertilize it. You just or mulch it. You can be optional with the mulching, but just make sure you trim it down.
Yeah, the common asparagus beetle is an adult that lives in the sheltered place of the stalk of the asparagus, and if you don't trim it, it can cause problems the coming spring. It will also start laying eggs in it, and the eggs will hatch. It's a whole big thing. So once the asparagus falls over, or before you are done, or the snow comes, however you want to gauge that, and it gets cold, snip it off at the ground level and compost those fronds, the big tree-like shrub things that are on top of the asparagus that have been feeding the roots, so you don't have the asparagus beetle problem.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.